In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in and complete Intuit's training courses as well as pass the certification exam. Starting with enrollment, head over to Intuit's training portal. Here, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to offer you the most efficient learning experience. If you're new to the portal, you'll need to create an account. Simply click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required fields such as your email address and contact details. Already have an account? Perfect. Just log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a host of available courses. Scroll through and find the updated courses that you're required to complete. Selecting the course will provide you with all the information you need, including the course objectives and any prerequisites. I suggest taking a little time to go through this information to ensure it's the right course for your needs. Now that you've selected a course, you're ready to begin. One of the key things to remember when completing the courses is to take your time. It's tempting to rush through the material, but truly digesting the information will be beneficial, especially when you move on to the certification exam. Use the interactive elements and quizzes to solidify your understanding. These tools are designed to help reinforce your learning and make the process more engaging. Feel free to take notes as you go. Writing down key concepts and ideas can significantly aid in retention. If you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. They're there to help answer any questions you might have and provide support as you navigate through the training. Additionally, joining forums or study groups with fellow learners can be an excellent way to deepen your understanding. Sharing insights and discussing the material can often give you a fresh perspective. Now, let's move to the certification exam. Once you've completed the necessary courses, you'll be eligible to take the exam. Before you begin, review your notes and ensure you understand the course material thoroughly. The certification exam will test your comprehension of the concepts covered in the courses, so being prepared is crucial. Set aside time where you can focus without distractions. This dedicated time will allow you to perform at your best. The exam will follow a format that's similar to the quizzes you've taken during the course, so you should feel comfortable with the structure. If you come across a challenging question, take a deep breath and eliminate any obviously incorrect answers to narrow down your choices. Remember, it's as much about demonstrating your understanding as it is about recalling facts. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully enrolling, completing courses, and passing your certification exam through Intuit's training portal. Good luck and happy learning. End.